Hello friends and welcome at my channel. Today I would like to prove two more trigonometrical identities, and in the next video about trigonometry we'll be computing some examples. I think I will do it in the calculus playlist, solve the exercises. Alright, so what I want to show today is number one is the sine of alpha plus the sine of beta equal to 2 sine of alpha plus beta divided by 2 times cosine of alpha minus beta divided by 2. We're going to prove this one, and we also want to prove the second one, sine of alpha minus sine of beta should be equal to 2 cosine of alpha plus beta divided by 2 times the sine of alpha minus beta divided by 2. Let me make a picture right now. Now you see how I'm making thumbnails. Without further ado, just exactly what's in the video and that I prove it. Alright, what we use is, of course, formulas from previous computations. This is sine alpha cosine beta plus sine beta cosine alpha, and also the same for minus. Sine alpha cosine beta, but minus sine beta cosine alpha. Alright. So, how can we approach it? Well, it's a kind of trick, if you remember, how we were rewriting in the previous video our sine of alpha and sine of beta. So, let's give it a go. So, let's start. We have sine of alpha equals to sine of, I think we've been doing alpha plus beta divided by 2 plus alpha minus beta divided by 2, right? Yeah, that seems to be nice. Alright, so let's apply this formula for this. So this is sine of alpha plus beta divided by 2 times the cosine of alpha minus beta divided by 2 plus sine of alpha minus beta divided by 2 times the cosine of alpha plus beta divided by 2. That's the story for the sine of alpha that I can write this way, and sine of beta can be written as the sine of, we've been doing alpha plus beta divided by 2 and then minus alpha minus beta divided by 2. Is that right? Yeah. And now we're applying the second one with the minus, so it's sine of the first divided by 2 times the cosine of the second minus the sine of the second times the cosine of the first. And if we add it up, what we're going to have is we are having the same expressions here, but with different signs. So that means really sine of alpha plus sine of beta, those two are cancelling out and those two are being added together. So we really have 2 sine of alpha plus beta divided by 2 times the cosine of alpha minus beta divided by 2. Alright? And, well, what about the minus? If we're having sine of alpha minus sine of beta, well, now you see we have those two being equal. They are now gone. And this one is being subtracted. This one is being subtracted from that one. Minus minus gives us plus. So we're going to give just 2 sine of alpha minus beta divided by 2 times the cosine of alpha plus beta divided by 2 as well. So that's it. These are the 4 formulas, considering cosine plus cosine and cosine minus cosine, now 2 with sines. And, well, they're pretty useful, as you can see in a few our next videos in the future. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. All the best, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.